My name's Gregory Webb. I'm factory manager at Creative Cosmetics. Basically my role is to make sure everything that comes in is produced, coded to the company's specifications and then sent out again. With the Linx 10, once it's on there, it doesn't rub off. It doesn't matter if you stick a label on it and peel it off, it still stays on there. How can you argue with that? It's perfect. We need the mobility of it. We've got the cabinet on wheels, it can go absolutely anywhere. Start of a line, middle of a line, end of a line, height, perfect. With the new touchscreen on the Linx 10, you can set it to whatever speed, whatever density, anything. It's right there in front of you, you can't go wrong. Tap in what you need and it basically sorts itself out. Doesn't matter what they do with the line speed, it's bang in the middle. It's uniform, it looks good. And that's what our customers want. And with the Linx 10, it's perfect.